Alright, this is how you can insert a drop-down menu in Google Docs. First, you have to place the cursor where you want to insert the content. I'm going to put my cursor right here, and then go to the insert menu, click on drop-down, that is located right here, and then you can click new drop-down. So let's give it a name for this drop-down. Let's say it's going to be my first drop-down. And then you can label these drop downs. Of course, you can also just remove the drop down, or you can add another option. And you can also rearrange the drop down. That is definitely an option. And you can also just change the color for these drop down menus. So allow me a second to change these colors. And when you're done, you can just click save. And there you go. Now we have this drop down and you can interact with it. Just click on the drop down and you can give it a different option. You can select a different option from the list that you have created before. And if you want to reduce or increase the size of this drop down, just click on it and then you can either reduce or increase the size of this drop down. So it is essentially the same as changing the size of a font. So that's how you can add a drop down menu in Google Docs.